Hello everyone, my name is Emil and welcome to Emil's React. Now for this video we like to call Keyboard Ponies Animation Bongo Cat MLP Parody. So yeah, looks incredible from this video and I really like it. Well, I didn't reacting to it. Yeah, like a day or a week, so yeah, let's find out. Yes, like a while scratch that tea, so just sit back and watch the glorious montage. Gonna start with this in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, there's Twilight playing without the piano. It looks adorable with playing without the piano, not the bongo. So yeah. Oh, Princess Cadence, okay. Wow. This day, Aryan. Okay. Oh gosh. I just saw about the eye. It's green. Oh no, not the smile. Pinky. Erase is fun. Okay. Applejack. Looks cute. Without the animations into the like emotional or not. Ready, okay. I don't know about those songs from Twilight and Rarity though. Jesus. Okay. Oh, Fluttershy Rainbow Dash. Yeah, I didn't know about those from MLP Season 2, so yeah. I didn't guess it. Like I said, I'm sorry. Thank you for watching. You're welcome. Well, the others from like Twilight Sparkle and also Princess Cadence was turning into a green eye. So yeah. And not also without the like a Pinkie Pie, well yeah, Smile song, and also from Rarity, I didn't guess without the songs, and then also without the Fluttershy and Rainbow Dash. Well, yeah, that looks awesome. That so yeah, either anyway, yeah, looks awesome and I really like it a lot and I love it. It's so cute and it's so adorable. It was beautiful without the piano or something like an instrument piano. So yeah, I'll approve to it. So please subscribe to my YouTube and follow us on Twitter and Dailymotion. Also, you can share to my videos from 2018. So this is Emil's React. My name is Emil. Will be sign out.